before we start of the session, just I was checking before our session. It allowed me to create hierarchy. Not the way it should get created, but still I was able to create the hierarchy. I did not touch profit center, I guess. I'll just show you, then I'll create, okay? No, it's okay, ma'am. It's okay. Okay, so here we have in a basic settings, no, where did I go? Profit center, from profit center, here not basic setting, master data. In master data, I did only one step here. Here it was not allowing, so I did from where I did. Okay, 1 second. This is hierarchy levels. Okay, groups we can create. Where did I go? Okay. Enterprise structure. And I'll show you. Here we have GL in the GL master. It's a part of, as I said, after ECC version, before ECC or something, okay, before HANA itself. Profit center came up as a masters in the FI part only. Okay, so from here, profit center, I did go for here, define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. Okay, so what I did is here, it allowed me new entries. I just went to position in a controlling area TM00, I saved TM00 hierarchy. Okay, it was not allowing me to create the new one because it's just assigning. I did assign here hierarchy. Let us see before we move off. Let us see if it is allowing us to create the dummy profit center and the profit center. Okay. So I checked with one dummy profit center, but I am not getting now whether I saved it or not. I don't remember. Here we have a dummy profit center. Why this dummy profit center needs, I'll tell you before we move off. Okay, so 2000 dummy profit to create now. If it is there already, it will pop up, right? Okay, it is not there. So please dummy profit center, right? But I'm not sure whether it accepts or not because standard here TM00 it is showing. We can create the groups here, ma. Let me check which example we discussed. We took it, right? Segments, have we created segments? I think the other day. So let us go for heavy motor 1, heavy motor 2, light motor groups. Okay, we can create this as a groups here. TM00, TM00, profit center groups we can create, and in the same level or lower level profit centers we can assign display. In the lower level, I'm assigning heavy motors, TMHE, heavy motors. Okay, so in the same level, I'm creating TM normal TM normal motors. Okay, then it's the same level. Electronics, 3 products or 3 main groups we will be creating as a TMEL, TM electronic, say. But I'm not that sure. I'm not that sure. We need to check with this team. Okay. But the content what we shared right in 1909 press release and will be enough for us to move on, I guess. In real time scenarios, we can use that one simply. Okay. Okay. It's no to Apas. Okay. Okay. Then we can create a dummy profit center. Why dummy profit centers are needs in a real time is, see, as a data transfer. So when we try posting to cost centers without internal order, without profit centers, okay. So what we can do initially when we are not sure which cost center which relates to which product profit center, at that time this dummy profit center can be assigned. Then later on we can move. Okay, or for few cost centers, it's not mandatory to have for all the expenses cost center, profit center. So at that time, if system will not allow us to move to create the cost center without the profit center. So at that time, what we'll do, we'll create the dummy profit centers. Okay, so how profit center procedure would be the same. Procedure would be the same for both, not this profit center. Okay, KE dummy profit center. Normal profit center is KE51. Display 52 KE53. Okay, so create a dummy profit center. I will be creating profit center with any series. We can take 8 digits to 10 digits, I guess. So let me count the digits if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits profit center we can create. So I'm creating with 2 series, some small numbers so that we do not confuse with our GL accounts. Or we can create like this TM00 2000. We can create like this profit centers, anything, alphanumeric. Go to basic data. Here give the name as a dummy profit center. So this can be used across. If you don't have for any cost center, if you don't have profit center, we can use that. Okay. So department, person responsible, profit center group, it will ask. Okay. So this group we have created TM00 and TM00, it's a main hierarchy now. If you want electronics, heavy motors, we can, or in a TM00, it's pertaining to main group, right? Dummy profit center can be created only once. So we can use this one. And the segment, which segment dummy profit center? So a segments on the other day we created for electronics and motor. Your need you can select or create two dummies and to do two different. Okay, or create one more group for segments. Okay, here indicators, dummy profit center. We can change actually. When we change, we can change. Okay, company codes. Multiple company codes, it will populate based on your controlling area. So you can select company codes or you can remove it. Okay, change history. Same. So change profit center. TM00200, you can change. Same, go to master data here. Responsible segment, you can change. Okay. See, analysis period, it is taking some 01/01/1950. Previous post dated only it will take. Okay, so next company codes data, if you want to change, user responsible is a mandatory. I'm giving my name, address, communication, we can give enter related to profit centers area. Okay, save this one. It's in inactive status. So once you go for a change here, you can see this kind of torch or candle kind of activate. This is must here. Okay, when you create, actually it will populate. Like for example, I'm creating 2001 for one more segment. Okay. Okay, once we create, actually it should populate. Here it is not populating because it's a dummy profit center. But whereas in define profit center KE51, it will allow us to. Okay, so these are the normal profit centers. So let me create this profit center as 2000 something. Master data. We can copy from the reference also. Okay, so see analysis period will be past period so that if we are doing any testings, legs data is getting transferred, So we can allocate profit centers related to at one area.